Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have the awesome opportunity to review this e-bike. It's from Mukkpet and the model is called Tank. This company actually provides 3 different models, but I chose this one. And you're probably wondering, why are you reviewing an e-bike? Well, let me just say, I have very good reason. This bike folds up so small that I can actually fit it right in my van in front of my bed after my van's already packed with everything in it. I can't even believe it. I was like, oh my goodness, this is it. This is exactly what I need. So this bike, the Tank, is an all-terrain e-bike. It's an off-road e-bike. It has these gigantic fat 20-inch tires. I'm gonna bring the camera over here and I'm just gonna give you a good look at this bike. It is absolutely amazing. But before we do that, let me just give you the basics, okay? So we've got little fat 20-inch tires, fantastic. We've got fenders. Are you even kidding me right now? How fantastic is that? We've got a rack here. I can put my stuff on here. I can tie it down with my bungee cords. My backpack, if it gets too heavy with my rocks, it's gonna go right here. I'm so excited about it. It's got disc brakes, 7 gears, pedal assist. It's got everything. This display, I'm gonna show you that. It comes with a bell. Unbelievable. The battery is in here. It's completely encased, which I think is thebomb.com. And as I mentioned before, this entire bike folds up. Turn the bike around just so we'd have a little bit more room to check the bike out. Disc brakes, front and back. And they're beautiful, might I add. It's got a shock right here, which is wonderful. And it's got shocks in the front forks, so that's very cool. Little headlight. And a tail light back here, which is really a nice plus. Love the rack once again. We've got our gears from Shimano, a 7-speed gear situation, alrighty. And this is your quick change gear, which is really a great feature as well. This is your throttle. And over here is where you turn it on. We're gonna get to that in a second. Bell. This here can be adjusted. Here's your little quick release. Your handlebars can go up and down. Same with the seat. This is your button here to turn it on. You're gonna hold it down. And this is your display. Your speed, odometer, your energy bar. All right, I'm gonna get this camera set up and I'm gonna show you how this bike breaks down. Be back in a flash. Well, here we are back home. Had a fantastic ride, just fantastic. Felt completely comfortable, confident on this bike, and it really performed well. I want to talk about that in a minute. But before we get into that, I want to talk about the ease of getting it in my vehicle. So the fact that it folds up this small and fits in my minivan, and obviously you can see I've got quite a bit of space in here. This is going to fit in anyone's hatchback. I would think mostly a hatchback kind of a vehicle. You could probably put it in some trunk situations, but it is cumbersome. It's, you know, it's awkward to pick up. Not to say that it can't be done, but it definitely would fit into smaller SUVs or smaller hatchbacks. And I love the fact that I can just fold it up and stick it in my van and take off. So this is going to be fantastic for my van camping adventures. So let me get it out of the van and set up, and we'll talk about the features and how it rode and everything like that. All right, be back in a flash. Here you have it. The Mukkpet Tank Foldable e-bike with the fat 20-inch tires. And I can't say enough about it. I had a fantastic ride downtown, and I gotta say, it's got a lot of pickup. I only put it in the pedal assist modes 1 and 2 simply because I was downtown. There were people, there were kids, people walking their dogs, traffic, and I just wanted to be safe. As soon as I started pedaling, that pickup, it took you, and you had to be prepared for it. So I was really impressed with that. The brakes were fantastic, stopped on a dime, no issues there. As I changed the gears, it has 7 gears. Let me show you here. They changed flawlessly. No problem there. I'll show you something here. Let's turn the screen on so I can show you. Right here, we're going to turn it on. There it is. Sorry for the shadow there of my phone. But as you can see, right there, there's a 0 that's telling us that it is not in pedal assist mode. But if you see here, you've got a plus and a minus here. What we want to do is we want to just push the plus sign, and then it puts it in pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now there's no way I could have ridden this in pedal assist 5 downtown there. There's no way. That would have been too speedy. On my road, before I took off for this video, I did ride it just to get comfortable with it before I made the video, and I got it up to 26 miles an hour down my road, and it was kind of amazing, and it was quick. It was quick. So I'm very impressed, but downtown there was no way I was going to do that. So anyhow, pedal assist worked fantastic, and it's got a lot of pick-me-up. Brakes worked well. The shocks were fantastic, and I have no complaints whatsoever. And just to reiterate, if anyone is looking for an e-bike that is cost effective, this is about $1,000. These things can be very, very expensive, and I think this bike is absolutely worth $1,000. Please be sure to check out the description box below this video for a discount code if you're interested. So anyhow, I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you're in the market for an e-bike but you don't want to spend a ton of money and you want to be able to put it in a smaller vehicle, this is the bike for you. Just the fact that I can fold this up and put it in my van, that's just amazing. That's great for me. It's gonna be really a great addition to my van camping and my adventures when I'm off-road, because as you know, this is an off-road e-bike. So anyhow, I hope everyone's having a fabulous day today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'm happy to connect with you, and that is all. All right, you guys, have a fantastic day. I will catch you later. Until next time.